Hi. To replace the brake pads, remove the wheel. To use that, you need a 22 mm socket. Remove the wheels. And then remove the caliper. To remove the caliper, you need the 14 millimeter socket. Remove the bottom bolt of the caliper. Lift the caliper up. Remove the brake pads from the carrier. On the brake pad. Remove the shims from the hub, from the carrier. You need to clean these shims with the wire brush. Okay, push the caliper piston back with the big plier. Replace the shims back on carrier. With the new caliper, put the backing plate. Comes with the pads. Make sure put the copper grease on it. Put enough grease. Replace the brake pad. Make sure the pads are handed inner and outer. So other brake pad. And then use this copper grease. Make sure it fits properly from top and bottom. Bring the caliper back and pull back this 14mm bolt and tighten up. That will be enough. And put up the wheel back on. And make sure it's tighter. And that normally is 90mm to 100. Thanks for watching.